Here I have CUBOT Max 3, and today I'm going to show you how to scan QR codes on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then what you have to do is to go to more modes and select scan here. So now let's scan, for example, this QR code. As you can see, immediately as it spots it, it opens the page which has been encoded into this QR code. So in my case it's like this, HardReset.Info page. So yeah, that's how it works. Instantly after your camera spots QR code, it opens link which has been encoded in your default browser. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.